Hey boys and girls, this is Wildman Willis here, and I'm doing another Titans Return review, and this is actually Misfire. He was one of the first Target Masters from back in the day to come out, and they went away from the actual jets into more futuristic looking jets later on in the Transformers land, and this is reflected in this particular figure. As you can see, the design is almost made like trigger happy with the way the back is. They just changed the front on him, and the color scheme and the way the wings are made, and that's basically it. It's a cool figure to have. I like the color scheme on him and everything. Has the guns on the side, and also the guns turn into a little cockpit where you can put the Titan Master in. So I'm gonna show you how he look transformed in a second. And here he is transformed. I just love the color on the hand. The color is pretty cool on there. I like the design on the Titan Master's head. He looks like he got shades on. That's cool to see. Pretty colors on him. I like how the wings fold up on the back of him and everything. He got his two Decepticon signs on his shoulders and everything. Looks just like the G1 version, just more updated. So, pretty cool design, pretty cool figure. The knees and the elbow joints are articulate, so more articulate than the G1. You can pose these much better than those, and they also in scale with each other, so that's another plus as well. So this is Wildman Willis's review. See you next time.